How are you mga katami? Today, we're going to prepare no oven bake squash Moringa Langoniza Pizza. The pizza that will puzzle your mind and your soul. The full ingredients are listed at the description box. Now let's start the preparation by chopping squash, which is our main ingredient. Don't let yourself be hurt by chopping the squash. Remember, as if someone had hurt you, so don't let yourself be hurt. Squashes are kind of fruit, but it is considered as vegetable in food preparation. Put the sliced squash at the casserole, wash it, and add some water. And we will let them boil. Check the hardness of the squash. If it is still hard, then let it boil for around 2 to 3 minutes more. Get the malunggay leaves, wash it, and add ample amount of water to boil it. To slice the leaves of malunggay, you can use mini chopper or blender. Malunggay, otherwise known as moringa. After checking the softness of squash, it is now ready to be mashed. If you have oven, you can bake them instead of boiling the squash. Let's start to squeeze or mash the squash using the spoon. You can also use fork if you want. Squeeze and mash it thoroughly, as if you're doing it to someone that hurt you. In a clean bowl, add 3 to 4 cups of flour. Add about 3/4 cup of water and then 1/2 teaspoon of yeast. Let's use a little warm water for the yeast to be fully dissolved at the water. Add the dissolved yeast to the flour and mix them well. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 tablespoon of oil and mix them. Add water to the mixture until the water is fully absorbed by the flour. Habang ginagawa mo to, kalimutan mo na siya. Hindi ka nun mahal. This preparation requires a little bit patience. Kung siya nga napagtiyagaan mo, ito pa kaya? Kakainin mo na. Now, let's add the mashed squash to the mixture. Massage the mixture gently and thoroughly. When doing this, think of your partner, how you massage them. Are you going to do a hard or soft massage to our dough? Then let's add the moringa leaves to the mixture. Mix the mixture gently and smoothly. Massage here, massage there, massage everywhere, massage the dough everywhere. In a clean working surface, add about 1/2 cup of flour to 1 cup of flour. Then place the dough and mix it again. Massage them again. Massage the dough until there is no sticking part at your hand. Dapat hindi na siya malagkit. Wala nang dumidikit sa kamay mo. Kasi pag may malagkit pa, hindi pa pwede. Kailangan tuyong-tuyo na siya. Lamasin mong mabuti ang ating dough para maging maayos ito. Once the dough is ready, you may put them at another bowl, clean bowl, and then add 1 teaspoon of oil. Cover the dough with a cling wrap. Make sure that the bowl has enough space because the size of the dough will double. Then set it aside and wait for 1 to 3 hours. And now, after 2 to 3 hours, the dough already double or triple its size. Your next task is to remove the excess air from the dough. Remove it gently, press it, and tickle it as if you're tickling the dough. Remove the dough from the bowl and roll it again to about 1/2 cup of flour. It is better to use rolling pin to flatten the dough. Now I'm splitting the dough into 2 because I was able to make a very big dough. So here I will be going to do 2 pan size of pizza. Prepare to flatten the dough. If you have rolling pin, much better. But if you don't have, then you have to press it strongly and harder. You want to make a circle pizza? Or a square pizza or a triangle, it depends upon you. it's your choice. Add about half teaspoon of oil at the skillet and then put the dough on top of it. Remember, what I'm doing is a no-bake pizza. That's why I'm using a skillet. Make a hollow portion at the center of the dough where you will put all the ingredients. Place the skillet with the dough at the stove and toast both sides for about 5 to 7 minutes. Remember to use only medium heat. This pizza is delicious and nutritious as it contains squash and moringa as the main ingredients. Repeat the first process to the second dough. I could have made a better dough if I have a rolling pin, but I don't have. So if you have a rolling pin, then that's good. You can make it thin crust, and this one is super thick crust, really. The choice of toppings depends upon your preference. Me, I'm using hotdog and longaniza as my topping. If you will be using oven, then there's no need for you to fry the meat ingredients. Next, I'm frying the langoniza. What I'm using here is skinless langoniza. It depends upon you if you want the other one, which is with skin. Langoniza is a Spanish sausage similar to chorizo and also closely associated with Portuguese lingüica. They are usually fresh or smoked sausages with varying ratios of lean meat and fat along with garlic, black pepper, salt, muscovado or brown sugar, and vinegar. Now let's start to prepare the toppings of the pizza. Add pizza sauce or tomato sauce, but me, I'm using banana ketchup. It's just a matter of choice. It's like choosing the best partner for your pizza. Parang pagmamahal din yan. Piliin mo magpapasaya sa'yo. Oh no! Next, I'm adding the langoniza. You know, langoniza really complements with the other ingredients or toppings that I put here at the pizza. It's really yummy. It depends upon your preference. If you're not eating pork, then you can use other meat in replacement for the langoniza or pork. Then I'm adding the hot dogs. Ang sarap nito sobra. As in. Then I'm adding the bell pepper. You can use both red or green bell pepper. Kasi minsan, yung design natin sa pagkain, nagbibigay din yan ng anyayang sarap. Hindi ba? Then I'm using the white onions here. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you'll get always updated to my new uploaded videos. Then let's add quick melt cheese. You can also use ordinary cheese if you don't have quick melt cheese. Kaya lang, mas masarap yung madaling matunaw na cheese. Konting init lang, tunaw na. Kaya lasang-lasa yung cheese. More cheese, the merrier. and more delicious. Gutom ka na ba? Konti na lang, maluluto na. Ganyan talaga. Pag gusto mo masarap, maghintay ka. As I said, this is a no-bake pizza, but if you have oven, you can use oven. Now I'm using again a skillet. Let's wait for the pizza to be cooked for another 5 to 10 minutes. Now it's okay. Repeat the first process. Ulitin lang yung unang ginawa natin. And now it's done. Our no-bake squash Moringa Langoniza Pizza. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated to my new videos.